A new lead fills out your contact form. Big company, small company, vague inquiry, urgent request. They all land in the same place looking the same. Someone on your team has to read each one and decide who's worth calling first. Do that 50 times a week, and the good lead starts slipping through. Here's what automated lead qualification looks like. Every submission gets a score, a priority level, and a recommended next step the moment it comes in. No manual triage. Here's how it works behind the scenes. Google Sheets trigger, watching for new form responses. A loop, processing each lead one at a time. Mistral AI, scoring the lead against company size, need, goal, budget, and timeline. A code node, parsing the response into structured data. And finally, a new page created in Notion with the score, category, and next action. That's it. 5 modules, 0 manual entry. Check the description for the steps. See you next time.